What is up, my internet friends and family? I'm charmx, and today I'm going to be reacting to We Are Number One, but it's just the on-set sound record by Lord Vida Rap Jr. II. Now, I'm not really sure what to expect from this, but the like ratio is very, very, very high, so I'm assuming a lot of people think this is awesome, and I hope it is going to be awesome. But with that being said, the original link's in the description. Make sure you go subscribe to the creator, Lord Vida Rap Jr. II. That link's also in the description. But with that being said, let's begin! Also, I should mention, Sparta Yoshi messaged me and told me to react to this and said it's hilarious. So, I'm gonna hope you're correct, Sparta. Okay, so it actually makes sense now. So, the music's not there, it's just the sounds from when they were actually recording. So that's actually really funny, like, that idea of doing that. Anyway.
We are number one. Now listen closely. Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in history. All right.
This has to be one of my new favorite We Are Number One memes so far.
Just follow my moves and sneak around. Be careful not to make a sound. Shh. No, don't touch that.
This is actually probably quite similar to what was going on actually on set when they recorded this, because the odds are they wouldn't have the music actually playing, and it would be kind of awkward as this is. Except for that part.
Now look at this net that I just found. When I say go, be ready to throw. Go! Throw it on him, not me! Oh, let's try something else. And learn, here's the deal. You slip and slide on this banana peel. What are you doing?
That's amazing. This is very funny. I love this.
We are number one. Hey, hey.
That was awesome. That was awesome. Probably one of my new favorite We Are Number One memes. Grande! You have some competition on your hands. Well, I guess not anymore, because this was uploaded back in December of 2016. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. This is really funny, and if you did like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, pause and share with a friend. If you're new, hit subscribe and join the family today. Also, make sure you go subscribe to Lord Vida Rap Jr. II. That link's in the description. But with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Boop!